Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. In this video, we are going to solve remaining question of International Mathematics Olympiad 2018 paper for class 4. Please watch part 1 video for first 20 question. Part 1 link is given in a description box. Please watch video and do like, share and subscribe my channel. Now we start with section everyday mathematics. Question number 21. The given clock shows the time at which Rohan's birthday party ended. If it was 2 hours 15 minutes long party, then at what time party was started? The given clock show 9:30 and party was 2 hours 15 minutes long. So the party was started 2 hours 15 minutes before. So we minus will get 15, 7:15. So party started at 7:15. D is correct answer. Question number 22. Renu earns rupees 25,000 in a month. If she spends the amount in a month as shown in the table and saves the rest, then how much will she save in a month? She earned 25,000 in a month and she spent this much amount in a month. The total of this 13,700. So she saved 25,000 minus 13,700. She saves 11,300 rupees. So D is a correct answer. Question number 23. Sakshi has 7-yard long rope. If she needs 35 feet long rope, then how much more length of rope does she need? She has 7 yard. 1 yard is equal to
3 feet.
So 7 yard is equal to 7 into 3, 21 feet. She needs 35 feet long rope and she is having 21. So how much she need more? 14 feet. She need 14 feet more length of rope. Question number 24. A television set costs 13 times as much as the cost of given piano keyboard. Find the cost of the television set. The cost of keyboard is 576 rupees and cost of television is 13 times more than the keyboard. So TV cost is 7,488. Multiplication of this. So D is a correct answer. Question number 25. In a competition, Kinjal scored 4,121 points, Koyal scored 3,140 points, and Payal scores 2,406 points. Total points scored by them altogether are, so we have to do here addition of this point. So addition of this is 1 plus 6, 7, 4 plus 2, 6, 1 plus 1 plus 4, 6 and 4 plus 3, 7 and 2, 9. So here 9,667 is right answer. Question number 26. Harshit won exactly 3/5 of the ribbons for first place. Which of the following can be the group of ribbons Harshit won? 3/5 means out of 5 he won 3 for first place. So out of 5 he won 3 place for first place. So A is the right answer. Question number 27. Rohan mixed 400 ml of apple juice, 250 ml of pomegranate juice and 450 ml of pineapple juice to make a mixed fruit juice. What is the quantity of mixed fruit juice he made? He made 400 ml apple juice, then 250 ml pomegranate juice and 450 ml pineapple juice. So total he make 1 liter and 100 ml. So C is the right answer. Question 28. Weight of the basket with carrot is shown here. Find the weight of the empty basket if weight of carrot is this. So means we have to subtract total weight minus the weight of carrot. So here 5, this is mixed fraction. 5 into 4, 20 plus 2, 22 by 5. Here 1. Then we find out the LCM of 1 and 5. LCM is 5. So here 5 5s are 25 minus 22 is equal 25 minus 22 is 3 by 5 kg. So weight of basket is 3 by 5 kg. A is the right answer. Question number 29. For a project, Simi cut a piece of paper into a shape with 4 sides, but none of them are of the same length. What could be the shape of paper? Here rectangular has 3 sides, quadrilateral have 4 sides, square has 4 sides and pentagon has 5 sides. But square has same length. The and B is correct answer here. Question number 30. Rajni had 1960 seashells. She gave 376 shells to Manish and packed the rest into boxes of 12 seashells each. How many boxes of seashell will be made? Here Rajni had 1960 shells and she gave 376 shells to Manish. So remaining number of shells is equal to 1584. Now out of this she packed 12 shells in each bag. So how many bags she need to pack? 1584 shells. So here we divide 1584 by 12 is equal to 132. She need 132 box. C is the right answer. Now we start with achiever section. Here each question is of 2 marks. Question number 31. Fill in the blanks. Difference between LCM of both number on house 1 and HCF of both number of house 2 is P. Now LCM of both number on house 1 means LCM of 24 and 42. LCM of 24 and 42 is 168. And HCF of both number on house 2. HCF of 12 and 30 is 6. And their difference 168 minus 6, 162. Total number of prime factors of greatest number among the numbers on the houses is Q. Amongst all these 4 numbers, which is the greatest number? 42. Factor of 42 is 2, 3 and 7. 7 into 3, 21. 21 into 2, 42. So there are 3 factors. So Q is 3. And number of common factor of the number of house 2 is House two numbers are 12 and 13. So common factor of 12 are 1 into 12, 2 into 6 and 3 into 4. So these are the factor of 12, and factor of 30, 1 into 30, 2 into 15, 3 into 10, 5 into 6. So which are the common factor? 1, then 2, 3 and 6. So there are 4 common factors. So R is 4. So C is a correct option. Question number 32. Total weight of 3 bags of rice is 8 kg 950 gram. Weight of bag A is 2 kg 950 gram. If the weight of bag B is 900 gram more than the weight of bag C, then find the difference between the weight of bag A and bag B. Here given total weight of 3 bag of rice is 8 kg 950 gram. So we convert into grams. 8950 grams is equal to the weight of A plus B plus C, and weight of A is 2 kg 950 gram means 2950 gram plus weight of B. Weight of B is 900 gram more than weight of C. Is 900 plus C. This is the weight of B. And then weight of C is C. We don't know the weight of C. We have to calculate the weight of C also. Now addition of these two is 0, 5. This plus C 2C. 8950 minus 3850 is equal to 2C. Here this is in plus sign, so it will become minus here. This is equal to 5100 is equal to 2C. Now C is equal to what? 5100 divided by 2. So weight of bag C is 2550 gram. Now we have to find out the bag B weight. Bag B weight is 900 plus weight of C. Weight of bag B is 900 plus 2550. So is equal to 3450 gram. We have to find out the weight difference between weight of bag A and B. Weight of A is 2950 and weight of B is D. So difference is B minus A is equal to this minus this is 500 gram. Here A option is correct answer. Question number 33. The given table shows the number of students who prefer different subjects to study in their free time. Study the given table carefully and answer the following question. First, what fraction of students prefer English only? Second, which subject is preferred by 1/4 of the student? And third, what fraction of students prefer both science and mathematicals? Now we first calculate the total number of students. Here total number of students is 18 plus 10 plus 6 plus 15 plus 11 is equal to 60. Total numbers of students are 60. Now first question is, what fraction of students prefer English only? English there are 6 students in English. So out of 60 there are 6 students. Means 6 ones are 6, 6 ones are 6 and 0. 1 by 10 students prefer English. Option 2, which subject is preferred by 1/4 of students? 1/4 of students. Total number of students are 60. So we have to multiply 4 by 4 into 15 will give 60. So numerator also we have to multiply by 15, gives 15. So there are 15 students. In which subject there are 15 students? Hindi. So second answer is Hindi. Option 3, what fraction of students prefer both science and mathematics? Science 18 and mathematics 10, means 28 students. Out of 60, 28 students prefer science and mathematics. So 2 into 14, 28 and 2 into 30, 60. Again 2 sevens are 14 and 2 into 15, 30. So 7 by 15, third answer. So A option is correct. Question number 34. Find the value of P into Q minus R. Here 16, 5, 6, 6, 7, 6. 16 3s are 48. Remaining 8. This 6 here. Then 16 5s are 80. Remaining 6 and this 7 here. Then 16 4s are 64. 3 remaining and 6 here, and 16 2s are 32. 4 remaining. This 4 is P, 2 R and 8 Q. So P is equal to 4, R is equal to 2 and Q is 8. And our equation is P into Q minus R. P is 4, Q is 8 and R is 2. 4 into 8 is 32. 32 minus 2 is 30. So here D is a correct answer. Question number 35. Rakesh made the bar graph for different color marbles. By mistake he interchanged the bar for green color and red color. Consider the given bar graph and answer the following question. In this given graph, for brown there are 50 marbles. Brown 50 marbles, then green 110, blue 80, red 20, yellow 60. By mistake he interchanged the bar green color and red color. He interchanged this bar. So green become 20 and red become 110. Now question number 1. What is the actual difference between the number of red color and yellow color marble? Yellow color and red color marble, their difference is 50. And question 2. What is the sum of brown, green and blue? Brown is 50, green is 20 and blue is 80. So their sum is 150. So 50 and 150, C is a correct answer. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Do practice well and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.